In this video, I'm going to show you how to export from Lovable.dev to Cursor AI. So we're going to do, so once you're on your Lovable here, so once you have your project here, so for example, here, once you have the project here, so to export this, what we're going to do is we're going to connect it to the GitHub. Okay, so what you're going to do, click on the GitHub option, connect here, and click on connect GitHub. And then what we're going to do, you're going to click on connect project here. So simply select connect project and then choose your GitHub organization, so which in this case is here. So connect it, so make sure you have connected it. So once you've connected it, so now what we're going to do is next open up Cursor. Okay, so open up the Cursor desktop app there. So open up the Cursor and also have Git installed in your machine. And once you're done that, what you're going to do is click on this clone repo option here. So click on the clone repo option. Once you click on clone repo, you hit on this clone from GitHub, just click on it and then hit on allow. And what's going to happen is it's going to get these repository from your GitHub here. So you just have to log in and authorize to your GitHub account here. So just going to do that. And once you have authorized it and everything, once you have activated and connected your GitHub account here, and then now you'll be able to import the same repository. Once you have connected with GitHub, so you can choose the project that you want to export. So for example, here I'll just choose that, and then once you're done, you're going to choose the folder where do you want to create the repository on your folder. So I'll just choose here. Okay, that's fine. Then it's being now exported. The cloning is being taking place. So as soon as the cloning is done, then you'll be able to open up the project on Cursor here, and this is how you can export it from Lovable.dev to your Cursor here.